When you search for egg incubators, everything looks the same. Same plastic dome, same digital display, same promise of automatic turning. But if all incubators are built alike, why do some people get 90% hatch rates while others get nothing? The real difference isn't in the pictures, it's in the details most brands don't talk about. Product number 1, MATICOOPX20 Egg Incubator. Let's start with the MATICOOPX20 Egg Incubator, priced at around $106. This is a solid mid-range option that caught my eye because it packs several high-end features at a reasonable price. If you want reliable hatching without breaking the bank and still get automatic turning and built-in candling, this is worth a serious look. The gray and yellow design isn't flashy, but it feels sturdy for the price, and at just under 7 pounds, it's easy to move around. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The circulating airflow system driven by a strong fan helps maintain a stable temperature, which is critical. Even a 2-degree shift can ruin your hatch. Plus, the external water refill means you don't have to open the lid every time you top up humidity, so you avoid sudden drops in temperature and moisture. That's a big deal because opening the lid too often is one of the main reasons beginners fail. The built-in egg candler saves you $15.20 on a separate tool, and the automatic turner runs every 60 minutes and stops 3 days before hatching, just like a real hen would. Now, some people complained about inconsistent humidity readings, especially in drier climates. Here's the thing though, this incubator doesn't have a built-in humidifier, so you still need to monitor levels manually and refill water regularly. If you're in Arizona or somewhere super dry, you might need to check it daily. But for most home users in moderate climates, it's totally manageable. This is perfect for you if you're a backyard hobbyist hatching 10-20 chicken eggs at a time and want automation without spending over $150. Skip this one if you need to hatch duck or goose eggs regularly. The size and humidity needs are different. For the price and features, it's a strong value. Product number 2, MATICOOPX30 Egg Incubator. Now, if the 20-egg capacity of the previous MATICOOPX model felt too small, this upgraded 30-egg version might be your answer. At $158, it's pricier, but you're getting 50% more space and the same reliable features in a larger format. If you're scaling up from a few chickens to a small flock or want to hatch multiple batches, this one's built for that. It's also from the same brand, so the build quality feels consistent, just bigger. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The same strong fan-driven airflow system ensures even heat distribution across all 30 eggs, which is harder to achieve in larger units. The external water refill and automatic turning every hour are still there, and the auto stop 3 days before hatch is a lifesaver. No more guessing when to stop turning. The built-in candler is just as convenient, and the digital display gives you real-time feedback, so you're not flying blind. Now, some users mentioned the plastic feels a bit thin for the price, and at over 9 pounds, it's not something you'll want to move around often. Here's the thing though, this isn't a commercial incubator, it's for home use, and the plastic keeps costs down while still being durable enough for seasonal use. Just don't drop it. This is perfect for you if you're hatching regularly, want to do full trays of 30 eggs, and don't mind spending a bit more for capacity and consistency. Skip this one if you only hatch a few eggs a year, it's overkill. You're paying for space and reliability, and for active hatchers, that's worth it. Product number 3, APDOE Hatch Pro 12. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for beginners, the APDOE Hatch Pro 12 at just $67. This is one of the most feature-packed incubators under $70, and it's clear APDOE designed it with first-timers in mind. If you want an easy, low-stress way to hatch eggs at home without spending a fortune, this is a standout. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The digital temperature and humidity control is surprisingly precise for the price, and the real-time display means you always know what's happening inside. The automatic turning every 2 hours mimics natural behavior, and the 2-in-1 humidity system with dual external water bottles means you might only need to refill once or twice the entire incubation period, no daily checks. That's huge for busy people. The 360 degrees clear dome lets you watch development without opening the lid, and the built-in candler is bright and easy to use. Now some people complain the tray feels flimsy and can warp if overfilled. Here's the thing though, just don't overfill it. The design is meant for light use, and as long as you handle it gently, it works perfectly. Also, it only holds 12 chicken eggs, so it's not for large batches. This is perfect for you if you're new to hatching, have kids, or want a classroom-friendly incubator. Skip this one if you need to hatch more than a dozen eggs at once. For under $70, it's one of the best values out there. Product number 4, Harris Farms Nurture Right. Now, if you're serious about hatching and want a premium experience, the Harris Farms Nurture Right at $200 is in a league of its own. This isn't just an incubator, it's a full hatching system designed for reliability and ease. If you want maximum hatch rates with minimal effort and don't mind investing in quality, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It holds up to 22 chicken eggs or 18 duck eggs, and the 360 degrees induced airflow ensures every egg gets equal heat and moisture, no cold spots. The humidity control knob is super responsive, and the automatic turner stops 3 days before hatch just like it should. The 360 degrees clear window gives you unmatched visibility, and the build feels solid, not plasticky. Now some people said it's overkill for small batches and the price is steep. Here's the thing though, if you're hatching multiple times a year or raising birds for income, this pays for itself in hatch success. But if you're just doing a one-time hatch with your kids, it's probably too much. This is perfect for you if you're a serious hobbyist, small farm owner, or want the best possible chance at hatching ducks and chickens. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only hatch occasionally. It's expensive, but it delivers. Product number 5, SENTYE 12 Egg Incubator. Finally, if you're on a tight budget but still want automation, the SENTYE 12 Egg Incubator at just $43 is the cheapest option here and surprisingly capable. If you want to try hatching without spending over $50, this is your entry point. Don't expect luxury, but it gets the job done. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has a digital LED display for temperature and humidity, automatic turning, and a clear lid with a built-in light for candling. The dual external water ports let you refill without opening the lid, which helps maintain stability. It holds 12 chicken eggs or 27 quail eggs, making it great for small-scale or experimental hatches. Now, some users reported temperature fluctuations during power outages or in cold rooms. Here's the thing though, this isn't a high-end unit and it doesn't have a backup power feature. You need to keep it in a stable environment, but for the price, it's impressive. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner, student, or just testing the waters. Skip this one if you need reliability for valuable eggs or live in an area with unstable electricity. It's cheap, functional, and a great starter incubator. So which one should you buy? If you're just starting out, the APDOE Hatch Pro 12 gives you the most features for under $70. Need more space? Go with the MATICOOPX 30 Egg. On a tight budget, the SENTYE is surprisingly solid for $43. Want premium performance? The Harris Farms Nurture Right is worth the investment. And if you want a balanced mid-range option, the MATICOOPX 20 Egg delivers.